These human stories are the only way you can earn online, and these websites are legit. Watch to the end of this video to actually review exactly how you can get started on this website.
And make sure to subscribe because there's actually a part 2 of this very video. So guys, when it actually comes to friction and human stories, we all know that you are a writer, you are looking for a platform that actually works. We are looking for platforms that work. We're looking for platforms that are the highest paying. We're looking for platforms where there is actually no traffic. We don't want other people to be writing what we're writing, and they can't approve our writing. We want to actually write stories and get paid. We don't want to stress on the stories we're writing. So we need a platform that is so good when it comes to frictions and stories, and they are literally accepting writers. They are accepting writers.
Let's get into it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Star Coin Sisters. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're going to be telling you the best website that pays for friction and human stories. Watch this.
WebNovel is the first high-paying writing website. So, as you can see, this company that are working as writers, WebNovel is one of the best high-paying. Like, they don't. When it comes to writers and their contracts, they don't fail when it comes to payments. When I mean like, okay, this website don't disappoint when it comes to, accepting people. It might take a while because of, when it comes to WebNovel, they take about 30 days to actually review your story, but they will definitely get back to you. And once they get back to you, get a contract, and once you get a contract, you work with them for like a long time. So they are very good. So all you have to do is just press sign up there, and you sign up with your email, and as simple as that. The next website is MoboReader. MoboReader pays well. One thing about MoboReader is it's one of the highest paying writers websites. So all you have to do here is to write stories. As you can see, those story thumbnails. If you are interested in this side also, make sure you comment in the comment section. If you're a ghostwriter and you're not really succeeding inside, I need more tips. You can actually release tips on how to actually go about it. We need you guys to actually comment in the comment section. The MoboReader is very, very good. Like now, I want to go and explore the website. Then you apply to actually be paid as a writer. Like you apply to actually join the writers. So as you can see, bestseller. So this is their contract. You pick a contract. You either pick, do you want to be exclusive with them, or you want a normal contract with them. So either you pick exclusive or non-exclusive contract, and you read the terms and conditions. They are literally very easy. They have no hard terms, so it's very easy to enter MoboReader. They are consistent with their writers, and their supervisors are kind of very, very good, and the paying is very good. So make sure you go sign up here and apply. And once you apply, they will definitely accept you and get back to you as soon as possible. The third highest paying website is called WebNovel. So WebNovel is a very good website because when it comes to fantasy, now I talk about friction and I talk about fantasy. Romance novels are fantasies, web novels are friction, because it's storytelling, like kids story, romance story, fox story, and it's so easy to write this kind of stories. You just have to have character, like let the character show in your stories. So what you do here is go and apply to be one of the writers. They are very good and they pay well. They pay well, they are consistent with you, checking up on you, whether you're writing the stories.
What you actually have to do is what each and everyone has said in each and every site. So you have to just follow carefully, be consistent, stay consistent, be patient, try to see the end of the journey through. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment down below which of the sites you've tried. Yeah. And let's know.
So these sites are keep-up sites, and they are good sites. They are legit. They are trusted. They are tested and trusted by SQers. So make sure you start writing stories for them, and they'll definitely get back to you.
And note, guys, if they
so much money
work for you, doesn't mean
fine.
It doesn't work for
Move on.
else.
That's why we say 7 websites, because they all work and they are the best. They are all the best. They're all high paying, and they actually all pay their writers very well.
Yes.
So
guys,
if you don't happen to this one, you have to happen to the next one. So make sure you subscribe, because we're doing a part 2 of one of the sites on actually how much we earned from one of the sites as a ghostwriter. Bye. See you in the next video.